Alright y'all, back at you. Today we're going to be talking about harvesting your bananas early.
Yes, when they accidentally don't do great.
Sure, there's a number of reasons. We'll show you a rack that we harvested early because the plant failed on us, because honestly we neglected that one. But you know, I'm sure there's other reasons why someone might want to harvest their bananas early. You know, you might be renting a house and you're about to have to move and you want to take your bananas with you. They're almost ripe. Or if you're a snowbirder and you want to take that last rack of bananas up north with you, they're not quite ready yet. You know, or whatever. You live beachside.
You got hit with a hurricane.
Yeah, you live beachside
and over.
Right. And so anyways, we have a rack of bananas, or a bunch of bananas on this plant right here, and you can see they're not ready to harvest at all. But if you did harvest these and brought them in your house and stuck them on your counter, you would end up with ripe bananas. And we have another bunch of bananas over here. We'll show you in just a minute. In fact, I have a picture of the plant they came off of right here. And you can see the plant just failed.
It was too close to another
Yeah, in part because we neglected it, I think. But anyways, the plant failed and it fell over prematurely. In fact, all the leaves died on it prematurely too. And so we've done this before, but we just took the rack of bananas inside and just let them ripen on the counter, and you can see we got ripe bananas, and they're teeny tiny. Some of them are, but go ahead and open one of them and show them. Just anyone. They're small, but
they're not as tasty as they would be if you let them ripen, but they're just as good as anything in a grocery store.
Yeah, I do feel like maybe they taste like a grocery store banana a little bit. They don't have their full flavor, but you can see you'll still get fruit there out of them. And again, you can see these bananas were not ready to harvest. The plant just fell over, and we took what we got from it and brought it inside, and they're still good, right?
Yeah, they're not as big, obviously, as they would have been, because off this same variety, they're this length, but they're much bigger around if they had been able to stay on the plant longer. But it is what it is, and we can still.
Yeah. So, but anyways, y'all, I just wanted to bring this video to you because some people might be wondering, for whatever reason, that you might have to harvest your bananas early. You might be wondering if they're going to be wasted or not, but they're not. You can still eat them.
And they taste good. I mean, you know, and
you just won't get as much fruit.
Yeah, but you still get food, and it's all good.
All right, y'all. I hope you liked our video, and if you did, we'd appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, everybody, take care.
Bye.